Nikki, how are you? Do you suggest container spaces? Oh, got it. That's a unique use case. I've looked into that myself. I thought it would be neat. So let me catch shipping container short-term rental. First of all, was it Nikki? One of the things that I want to say is I don't call it. One of the things I just want to say, if I say nothing else, is let's call it short-term rentals as opposed to a Airbnb. Airbnb happens to be a distribution channel, okay? It's not your business. Now, what for everyone else, what she's referring to is being able to take things like this particular shipping container, containers like it, turning them into qualified actual places to stay. Shipping container house. Like so, where you've got some pre-built kits that you can find and buy and take those shipping containers and turn them into actual residences. It's a great idea. I've not executed it. I've thought about it though. So I don't see why, I'm not sure the question, but when you say, do you suggest it? I mean, if you are the person who wants to serve that customer who's looking for that experience, I don't see why not. I have no reason to say don't do it, right? If that's something that you're interested in, Nikki, if that's what's going to get you specifically excited, fired up, and put you in a position to where you're willing to do what it takes to be the entrepreneur that's inside, the entrepreneur that's begging to come out, because that's where that question comes from. That question comes from, I want to do something, and this is what I think I can do about it. So the question is, Nikki, do you believe enough? Not do I believe enough? Because I'm not going to be the one doing the work. I can help you with the systems. I can help you think through some things. So can all the students. But do you believe? If you believe it, then there's really not much left to ask, here, because, and I'm sure you've seen this by now. People are staying in, I've seen taxis, I've seen missile silos. I think there was a potato once, definitely an airplane hangar, just all kinds of stuff. So if you're going to create the experience, then girl, let's go do, create the experience, make it happen, period. All right. Because there's something inside of you that's begging to come out. If you like information like this, go ahead and hit that like button, because that tells YouTube that more entrepreneurs see us, and definitely hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that the next time we publish more quality content like this, you can be a part. Thanks.